Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress on Localhost. First, let's get your local development environment ready. Localhost essentially turns your computer into a web server, allowing you to build and test websites privately. You will need to install a local server stack, such as XAMPP for cross-platform use or WAMP for Windows. These tools provide Apache, MySQL, and PHP, which are essential for WordPress to run. The installation process typically takes only a few minutes. Now that your local server is running, it is time to install WordPress itself. Begin by downloading the most recent version of WordPress from WordPress.org. Next, access your local server's database management tool, usually phpMyAdmin, to create a new database and a user with appropriate privileges. Finally, extract the downloaded WordPress files into your local server's web root directory, often named htdocs or www, creating a new folder for your project. With the files in place, open your web browser and navigate to your local WordPress installation URL, typically localhost/your project folder. This will initiate the famous 5-minute WordPress installation process. You will be prompted to enter your database details, create an administrator account, and give your site a title. Once completed, you can log into your brand new WordPress dashboard. From here, you have full control to start building and customizing your website. Using WordPress on Localhost offers numerous advantages. It provides a secure sandbox where you can develop, test new themes, and experiment with plugins without any risk to a live website. This setup is perfect for learning, designing, and making significant changes before deploying them publicly. When your local site is ready, there are several tools and methods available to seamlessly migrate it to a live hosting provider, making your project accessible to everyone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.